Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your Coinbase account, avoid scams, and hack step by step clearly. Open the official Coinbase app or type Coinbase. Come directly into your browser, never from ads or random links. Check the website address carefully and confirm the lock icon is present before you enter any login details. Create a long, unique password using a password manager and never reuse it on any other site. Turn on two-factor authentication and choose an authenticator app instead of SMS whenever possible. Save your 2FA backup codes offline in a safe place so you can recover access if your phone is lost. Enable device verification so new devices must be approved before they can access your account. Turn on account alerts so you get notified immediately about logins, password changes, and withdrawals. Set up a strong passcode and biometric lock on your phone to protect the Coinbase app itself. Update your phone and computer regularly to close security holes that hackers can exploit. Avoid public Wi-Fi for crypto actions, and if you must use it, connect through a trusted VPN. Never share your password, 2FA codes, or recovery phrases with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Remember that Coinbase support will never ask you to send crypto to verify your account. Learn to spot phishing emails by checking the sender address and avoiding attachments and urgent threats. Do not click links inside messages, and instead open Coinbase from your own bookmark or typed address. Review your recent account activity often and investigate any device, session, or location you do not recognize. Remove any unknown connected devices and immediately change your password if something looks suspicious. Enable withdrawal address allow listing if available, so funds can only go to approved addresses. Use a time delay or extra confirmation for withdrawals when the option exists. Keep only the amount you need for trading on the exchange and store long-term holdings in a hardware wallet. Test withdrawals with a small amount first to make sure the address and network are correct. Double-check the crypto network before sending, because mistakes can lead to permanent loss. Be cautious with giveaway comments, direct messages, and fake influencers promising guaranteed returns. Never install remote access software when someone asks to help you fix your account. Use a separate email address just for crypto and secure it with its own strong password and 2FA. Turn on email security features like recovery phone, security alerts, and login notifications. Lock down your phone number with your carrier to reduce SIM swap risk and set a port-out PIN. If you suspect a compromise, freeze activity immediately, change credentials, and contact Coinbase through the official help center. Document what happened, including screenshots and timestamps, to speed up support and protect yourself in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.